Have you recently felt the sting of betrayal in your relationship, leaving you feeling shocked, devastated, and unsure about the future? I get it. I've been there myself. Did you know that up to 40% of marriages experience infidelity? Hi, I'm Sherry Nichols, CEO and founder of the Divine Love Institute. And what I've found in the 15 years that I've been a strategic soul healer and coach is that it's very possible to work through this divine disruption and evolve your relationship into an even better place if both people are willing. However, I've discovered with the thousands of women that I've had the privilege and honor of working with and talking with is that the number one thing that can block you from moving through this successfully is trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. But when it's shattered, rebuilding can feel like an impossible task. So if you're struggling with trust, I can help you, and I can give you the support that you desire. When my marriage crumbled, I documented my healing process, and I created a 7-step system called Sparkle. It's designed to empower women experiencing heartbreak to rise up and to believe bigger. Imagine owning your significance and not only restoring trust, but having it even stronger than before. Imagine feeling confident in your relationship. Imagine transforming your mindset and your heart set and creating vibrant well-being. There's a reason I call betrayal divine disruption. I believe that God is trying to move you up the ladder of your greatest potential. I believe He's got something bigger planned for you, and He needs you to grow into that next elevated version of you so that you can align with His dream for you. So I'd like to invite you to join my private Facebook group, Divine Renewal. It's designed for ambitious women over 40 who are suffering from heartbreak, and you will find tips and inspiration and a supportive community there. And in addition, if you have a friend who's struggling with betrayal and really wants to restore their trust and feel good again, would you share this video to help her move forward? Thank you, and God bless.